Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to turn your blurry logo into a crisp vector using Canva? Let's do it together. Click the Create button, choose Custom Size from the options, and enter 300 by 300 pixels for dimensions. Next, locate the image or photo you want to use. Open your web browser, go to Google, and search for the desired image. Find a low-quality image, select it, and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. This will add the image to your clipboard. Paste the copied content directly into your design by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or pressing Ctrl+V. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the copied content directly into your design where you want it placed. Let's see how to use this feature in your workflow. Let's enhance this image for better visual quality. Select the image, then click the Edit button to continue. Then, select the Upscale option from the menu to increase your image resolution for better clarity and sharpness. This is our next photo. To include the previous image, simply select it from your files and drag it onto the current workspace to add it here. Click to add the item here. If needed, navigate to the product section for more details. This ensures the item is included and matches the product specifications. This is the updated image after processing. You can see the adjustments applied based on the previous steps, including improved brightness and enhanced contrast. These changes help highlight important details and make the image more visually appealing. Review the result to ensure it meets your expectations. If further edits are needed, return to the editing panel and make additional adjustments as desired before exporting your final image. Click the Upscale button now. Next, click the Share button to continue to the next step. Click the Download button to continue. Increase the size to enhance image quality for better visibility. Click the Download button to save. Now you can turn any low-res logo into a crisp vector in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more design tips.